Okay, guys, so breaking news. The next court date for Luigi Mangione is September the 8th, and there will be no death penalty, so that is off the table. No death penalty. As you come in, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, so we're here. We're just finishing up court with Luigi Mangione federal case. There will be no death penalty, no death penalty. And the next court date is September the 8th. So no death penalty. Sorry. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Go around, ski. What's going on with that? Why is that doing it? I don't know why I was doing that. Okay, so we have, there's no death penalty. And the next court date is September the 8th. Yeah, we're here for Luigi Mangione, guys. Oh. All right, we're waiting for the attorneys to come out and speak.
Oh, really? Yeah. I just saw
Good morning, neighbor. There's the Luigi squad. Those are the Luigi fans.
Abolish capital murder! Abolish the death penalty!
Those are Luigi's fan club. Okay. We're waiting for the attorneys to come out. And no death penalty, guys. No death penalty. Here's the attorneys. That's his lead attorney there, Karen Ignipolo and Mark.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to thank the court for this incredible decision. Thank this amazing legal team that we have here. Really wonderful, all of them. And thank all the people who come out, stand here in the cold, and the people who can't come here, all the supporters. We get your letters, we get your emails, and we really appreciate all the support. So thank you all. Stay warm.
Karen, what was Mr. Mangione's reaction when he learned the death penalty was off the table?
We're all very relieved.
What was their reaction last night to the attempted breaking Luigi out of prison?
Honestly, we have a big filing that we filed at state court last night, and we were anticipating today, so I don't know anything about that. I I heard about it and understand that there was not even any mention of Mr. Mangione, so I don't know that it is even related. So I really don't know anything about that individual.
Karen, how much of a setback is it that the judge is going to allow the contents of the backpack at trial?
We're prepared and have been prepared to fight this case, and we look forward to fighting this case. So
Do you have any comment about the state trial happening at the same time or possibly earlier than the federal?
we're going to work that out with everybody. So, but we anticipate fighting these charges. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Great job.
You know, double jeopardy is a big thing here, right? Mr. Mangione is being charged in 3 different cases for one incident. So we're going to continue to fight for that as well. But thanks, everyone. Thanks for being here.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. No death penalty. That has been taken off the table. And the next court date for the federal will be September the 8th. You heard it first here, watching the world. No death penalty for Luigi Mangione. The defense, they at least delivered for their client. That's what it is.
No, I think they're waiting for these.
And here's the Luigi fans. Let's see if we can get some verbiage here.
No, this is, if there's any case that isn't death eligible, this is the one.
What did you think about last night, or 2 nights ago, a guy trying to break Luigi out of prison?
That, I mean, I don't know what to say to that. That's just, you know, it's just crazy. But yeah, that's beside this case, and it has nothing to do with this case. So, yeah, that is
Not related to him.
my name is not my monkey, not my
That's related.
Could you spell it for me?
You guys, are you guys all reaction to the no death penalty ruling for Luigi?
Yeah, sure.
What was your reaction?
Where are
You
you
don't have to hold it.
Okay, well, my reaction was that I thought it was great. It was an overcharge to begin with, a complete abuse of power from the government. So the fact that it's dropped, I think that's amazing. Obviously, the government's going to have a chance to reappeal, and we're just going to have to take it one step at a time. But yeah, abolish the death penalty.
And the cold weather didn't keep you guys away today, right?
No, well, I was able to just walk right into the courthouse, so there wasn't any issue with waiting outside. But I've been coming to the hearings pretty much all December and January, but so we don't let the cold deter us.
What was your reaction to the death penalty being thrown out in this case?
Actually, Luigi's attorney was the one who told me when I was in line this morning. It took a little bit for me to process what was actually being said, but it was absolutely a relief. The government is overcharging and trying to make an example out of Mr. Mangione and trying to use him as a political pawn, and it's not right. It's unjust.
I think it was great. It shows that it shouldn't have been a charge to begin with. I think it shows that the judge, Margaret Burnett, is very fair. She's doing due diligence to uphold law.
Thank you guys. Thank you. I want to get the food back. I don't know.
Okay. All right, so no death penalty for Luigi Mangione. You guys heard first line from his attorneys, their viewpoint on today. So that's pretty much it for Luigi Mangione, but the federal and the state cases both are moving at the same time. So today was strictly about the federal case. Oh, what in the world? What was that? Oh, okay. That was something that fell. Sound like a shot. All right. So, around the corner, they have the case going for the Alexander brothers at the same courthouse where Sean Diddy Combs' case is happening. So there you have it. That's the update in regards to Luigi's federal case. There will not be a death penalty. And as you heard from his attorneys, Karen Agnifilo, Mark Agnifilo, and I believe his name is Jacob Kaplan, the third attorney, they are very happy to deliver that for their client, removing the death penalty off of the table. So now I'm going to cover this other case. I'm going to attend court. Wow, you can't even get through here. Look at all the snow. This is New York City, folks. I don't even know if I can get through here. Let's see. It looks like it's some obstacle course here. Yeah, this is quite the mission here. So, have to be careful. Okay, so we're going to cover the Alexander brothers, see what's happening. Stay tuned. Later today, tonight, I'll be covering both of these cases. We'll get a chance on Sunday to hear from criminal defense attorney Calvin Johnson and try to understand what's happening with these cases. For this Alexander brother cases, I believe it's about trafficking. There's not a lot of publicity behind it, but it's still a big case. As you know, Sean Diddy Combs' case had trafficking. That was an element to the case as well. So we'll see what happens. It's brutal cold today. And I'm sure you guys heard Don Lemon, as I predicted, is locked up. I wonder what his bail amount will be, or if they try to really put the screws to him. On this channel, he covers Donald Trump every day, for the most part. So under those circumstances, I'm pretty sure this administration wants to make an example out of him. So we'll see what happens. All right. Let's see here. All right. New York Giant says bro committed premeditated murder and he's going to get off. Crazy world. Okay. All right. Very good. All right, guys. So I'm going to go into court. I'll be back on later. Thank you guys for all the support. Thanks for sharing, subscribing to the channel. We just hit 30,000 last night. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you very much.